A recent study from the International Diabetes Federation revealed that over 463 million people worldwide are living with diabetes, and many of them might be missing these subtle yet dangerous signs. In this talk, I'll reveal the top 20 dangerous diabetes nighttime signs hidden in your sleep and show you how to transform these hidden alerts into a powerful path toward better health. Stay until the end, because the last sign, dead in bed syndrome, could save your precious life. Sign number 20, slow healing wounds or bruises. Have you ever had a small cut or bruise that just wouldn't seem to heal? In a healthy body, minor injuries mend quickly as blood rushes to the site, delivering oxygen and nutrients. If minor cuts or bruises are taking an unusually long time to heal, it might indicate that your blood sugar levels are interfering with your body's natural repair processes. Sign 19, repeated infections or persistent skin conditions. Our skin is more than a protective barrier. It's a dynamic organ that often reflects our internal health. Recurring fungal infections or skin rashes can be a sign that high blood sugar is compromising your immune system, leaving you more vulnerable to infections. Sign number 18, unexplained weight gain, especially around the midsection. When you notice your clothes tightening around the waist without a clear reason, it could be your body's way of signaling that it's struggling to process sugar efficiently. While weight loss is common, some individuals may experience weight gain due to insulin resistance, a subtle sign that your body isn't processing sugar efficiently. Sign number 17, persistent nighttime muscle cramps. Frequent, unexplained cramps during the night may signal electrolyte imbalances, a common side effect of erratic blood sugar levels. Such imbalances, particularly in potassium, magnesium, or calcium, disrupt the normal function of muscle contractions. Sign number 16, decreased libido or sexual function in the morning. Diabetes can impact nerve function and blood flow, and a noticeable drop in sexual function upon waking might be an early indicator of underlying issues. Reduced blood flow can directly affect the ability to achieve or maintain arousal, as proper circulation is essential for sexual health. Nerve damage caused by prolonged high blood sugar levels can further diminish sensation and responsiveness. Sign number 15, cold extremities at night. When your hands and feet feel unexpectedly cold, diminished blood circulation, a complication often linked with diabetes, could be the culprit. This reduced blood flow might be due to a narrowing of blood vessels, a condition that gradually impairs your body's ability to regulate temperature in your extremities. Sign number 14, breathing irregularities or signs of sleep apnea. Diabetes can contribute to sleep-disordered breathing, causing pauses or irregularities that not only disturb your sleep, but also affect your overall health. The complex interplay between high blood sugar and sleep apnea creates a cycle where each condition worsens the other. Sign number 13, sudden mood swings or irritability. If you find yourself unusually emotional or irritable in the morning, it might be more than stress. It could be the result of nocturnal blood sugar imbalances. Low or fluctuating blood sugar levels can prompt the release of stress hormones, which directly influence your mood. These hormonal shifts may leave you feeling unexpectedly anxious or prone to sudden mood swings. Sign number 12, unexpected morning headaches. Waking up with a pounding headache can be your body's way of saying that unstable blood sugar levels are straining your system overnight. Fluctuations in blood sugar may lead to dehydration and changes in blood vessel dilation, both of which can trigger severe headaches. Sign number 11, recurrent nightmares and vivid dreams. Disturbing, recurring dreams might not just be a figment of your imagination. They can be a result of blood sugar fluctuations affecting your sleep patterns. When blood sugar levels become erratic, they disrupt your brain's chemistry during the REM phase of sleep. This alteration can trigger intense, vivid dreams that leave a lingering sense of unease. Sign number 10, numbness or tingling in your extremities. Have you ever woken up with a pins and needles sensation in your hands or feet? That numbness isn't just a passing discomfort. It can be an early sign of diabetic neuropathy. Your nerves might be struggling under the weight of high blood sugar, and ignoring it could lead to more serious complications. Sign number 9, blurred vision or eye strain in the morning. When you open your eyes and the world appears a bit hazy, it might be more than just sleepiness. Fluctuating blood sugar levels can cause swelling in the eyes, leading to blurred vision. This subtle change can signal that your body is having a hard time maintaining balance. Sign number 8, unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying might seem like a positive outcome, but in the context of diabetes, it can be a red flag. Your body might be burning fat for energy because it isn't using sugar properly. This unintentional weight loss is a silent cry for help that you shouldn't ignore. Sign number 7, heart palpitations or an irregular heartbeat. Your heart is your body's engine, and if it starts racing or skipping beats when you're supposed to be at rest, that's cause for concern. Whether it's due to hypoglycemia or stress on your cardiovascular system, these palpitations are a warning sign that your diabetes may be affecting more than just your sugar levels. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. Sign number 6, restless sleep or insomnia. How many nights have you tossed and turned, unable to find that elusive state of restful sleep? Blood sugar imbalances can keep your body in a constant state of alert. If you're waking up multiple times or finding it hard to sleep, your body might be struggling to manage its internal environment. Sign number 5, waking up feeling unusually fatigued. Sleep should leave you feeling refreshed, yet if you consistently wake up drained, something isn't right. This chronic fatigue can be a direct result of disrupted sleep patterns caused by fluctuating blood sugar levels throughout the night. Sign number 4, unexplained night sweats. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night drenched in sweat, even if the room is cool. Night sweats can be more than an environmental response. They might indicate episodes of low blood sugar. This isn't just uncomfortable. It's your body signaling that something dangerous may be happening while you sleep. Sign number 3, excessive thirst and a dry mouth. Do you wake up feeling parched, reaching for a glass of water before you even roll out of bed? That intense thirst could be your body's way of saying, there's too much sugar here. Extreme thirst is a common symptom of hyperglycemia, and it shouldn't be dismissed as just a bad night's sleep. Sign number 2, frequent nighttime urination, nocturia. If you find yourself making repeated trips to the bathroom during the night, your body might be trying to flush out excess glucose. This constant interruption in your sleep not only signals high blood sugar levels, but also disrupts the restorative power of deep quality sleep. Sign number 1, severe hypoglycemia episodes during sleep. Perhaps the most dangerous sign of all, severe hypoglycemia. Picture this, waking up with confusion, intense sweating, or heart palpitations. These are signs that your blood sugar has plummeted to dangerously low levels while you slept, sometimes leading to what's known as dead-in-bed syndrome. This isn't just a wake-up call, it's an emergency signal that requires immediate attention. Diabetes is surrounded by myths and misconceptions that can confuse patients and their loved ones. Some believe that eating too much sugar directly causes diabetes, but it's really a blend of genetics and lifestyle. There's a myth that diabetes is curable, when in fact, it's a manageable condition requiring ongoing care. We debunk the idea that all diabetes treatments are the same, emphasizing the need for personalized care. Another misconception is that diabetes only affects older adults. This condition can impact anyone, regardless of age. We'll challenge the belief that natural remedies alone can control diabetes without proper medical oversight. By separating fact from fiction, you gain the power to make informed decisions about your health. Understanding why these signs occur can empower you to take control. When blood sugar levels fluctuate, they create a domino effect in your body. Elevated blood sugar stresses your nerves, alters the fluid balance in your eyes, and even disrupts your heart's rhythm. Meanwhile, low blood sugar sends your body into a frantic mode, triggering night sweats and palpitations. Your sleep becomes a battleground where your body struggles to maintain equilibrium. Let me share a story. A close friend of mine, Sarah, began noticing these subtle signs, waking up with tingling in her feet and blurred vision. At first, she dismissed them as the after effects of a long day. But as the symptoms grew more frequent, she sought help. Through early intervention and lifestyle adjustments, Sarah was able to better manage her blood sugar, and more importantly, reclaim her nights of peaceful sleep. Her story reminds us that awareness and proactive care can make all the difference. Regular monitoring. Consider using a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, to keep track of your blood sugar levels throughout the night. This technology can alert you to dangerous fluctuations, even when you're asleep. Balanced diet and timing. Eating a well-balanced diet and timing your meals can stabilize your blood sugar. Avoid heavy meals right before bedtime, and discuss with your doctor about the best eating schedule for your condition. Relaxation techniques. Stress plays a crucial role in blood sugar management. Incorporate calming practices like meditation or gentle yoga into your evening routine to help your body settle into a peaceful state. Bedtime routine. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. A regular routine not only improves sleep quality, but also helps regulate your metabolism and hormone levels. Emergency preparedness. Keep a quick source of fast-acting sugar near your bed. A glucose tablet or a small juice box can be life-saving if you experience severe hypoglycemia during the night. Frequently asked questions, FAQs, Q1. What should I do if I notice these nighttime signs? If you start noticing any of these symptoms, it's important to keep a record of your experiences and discuss them with your healthcare provider. Early intervention is key to managing your condition and preventing complications. Q2. Are these signs exclusive to diabetes? Not always. While these symptoms are common in people with diabetes, they can also be linked to other health issues. Q3. Can lifestyle changes help prevent these nighttime symptoms? Absolutely. Small, consistent changes, like improving your diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and keeping track of your blood sugar, can make a significant difference in preventing or reducing these symptoms. Q4. When should I consult a doctor about my symptoms? If you experience severe or persistent symptoms, especially signs of severe hypoglycemia like confusion or heart palpitations, it's important to consult a healthcare professional right away. Don't wait until things escalate. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video.